welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. Now this is a very simple image and it will not take a lot of time. So just take a screenshot of this and let's draw alongside me. I hope you guys will learn something new. So as usual, we are again going to start the drawing from the innermost circle. So we are going to use circle command. Click on circle and basically we are provided with diameter. So using center and diameter, specify center as same origin 0, 0 and specify diameter for innermost circle as 28. Now zoom in till a suitable level using roller button of the mouse. After that we are again going to use the same circle command using center and diameter. Specify a center as the origin 0, 0, press enter and diameter as 40 units, press enter. After that, the next one, next circle that is provided to us is using radius. So click on center and radius, specify center as 0, 0 origin and specify radius as 36 units and then press enter. Now click outside, press escape to basically we can just move it outside if we want, because now we have all the centers, so it will not make any difference. Now what I'm going to do is, in this particular case, is that we need to draw an angle of 15 degrees. So select a line, start from its center, and we need to draw a line at 15-degree angle. So if you want to restrict the angle at 15 degree, we can use polar tracking in the interval of 15, 30 and so on. So just take a look. Whenever we will be bringing our line near 15-degree angle, we will see this green line. Next green line will appear at next interval, that is 15 plus 15 on 30 degree. Now click on 15, the center, right click and enter. Then click on this one and draw a line at 0-degree angle, press enter. Now we are going to use mirror command to create a mirror line and then do not erase the source object. So we need this particular line and we need one more circle of diameter 146. So click on center and diameter, specify this as center and diameter as 146 and then press enter. Now what we need is, we need to extend this central line to get the end point, press enter. After that we are going to trim some portion that is not needed. So click on trim, then trim the portion that we don't need. So these lines are not needed to us. This one is also not needed, as well as this one is not needed, and these sections are also not needed along with this one. So click enter. Now select a line, start this line from this point and join it at this point and another one like this and enter. So we can remove this one as well if we want, and that will not make any difference. So delete it. Now we are done with one of these flanges. Now click on this one and create a polar array to create multiple objects around the center. Now click on polar array and then specify the center of these circles as the center of arrays. Now we needed 6 of these objects. Okay, so we have got 6, so we don't need to change this items. So we can simply click on close array. Now this circle was not needed to us, so what we can do is we can change its line type. Okay, so that we can identify that this is not the part of main drawing and we are just using it for showing the dimensions. Okay, so now we are going to place some dimensions. So click on angle. So we need to place angle first. So if we are placing an angle, we will have to separate this array. So in order to separate all of these objects, you will have to click on explode, then click on the array and then press enter. Now all our angles are done. Now we can place this angle like this. After that The next thing that we can do is we can we can specify the radiuses. Now click on this, click on diameter first, specify diameter of this particular circle, right click and repeat diameter of this one, right click and repeat diameter of this circle. Now if you want to specify radius of some of them, click on radius, click on this particular circle and specify this radius. After that, this angle directly we have specified this as 30 degree. We can specify this angle as a gap of 15 as well. So we can mention these angles separately as well. So it's totally up to us how we are specifying these dimensions. So I hope this all the dimensions are there and we are done with these dimensions. Now we are going to place hatch. Okay, so click on hatch. Then if you want to fill this hatch by using a solid color, you can use solid color as well, or if you want to use a gradient, you can use that as well. So I'm again going to use a gradient. Now my favorite colors again. So we are simply placing this gradient on this outer side and then inner side, and then click on close hatch creation. After that you can use hatch again use gradient. This time we are going to use different colors. Let's say we are using yellow and red insert in the other side. Okay, instead of red let's use some other color. Let's use this one. Now this excess color that we are seeing here, there might be certain opening, so we may need to check that. Okay, now click inside this and click on close hatch creation. Still this is there, that means there is some opening that we need to fix. So just verify all of these corners. Now they should be completely covered. Okay, if they are covered, there should not be any region of this excess hatch. Okay, now let's place this hatch again. Click on hatch, use gradient of same colors, fill this region. This one is okay, this one is okay, this one is also okay, this one is also done, this one is also done, and this one is also done. So in certain cases we may face this type of issues, but that's not the scenario always. So you can change the colors and the hatch will be basically visible in the same pattern. And let's click on close hatch creation, and that's it for this particular drawing. So I hope you guys have learned something new. That's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.